I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining output and constraints. State the format, length, and audience. Gather 5 to 10 examples that match tone and upload or summarize them for the model. Once done, select an AI writing model and an image tool and connect API keys or login. Make sure to create a short brief, title, key points, calls to action, and style notes. This first step sets guardrails and saves time because the model follows clear directions from the outset. Now you iterate. Prompt for an outline, then request a full draft, and finally ask for a concise polish. Use short commands to change tone, add examples, or split sections. Compare 3 variations to pick the best structure, then apply edits for accuracy, SEO keywords, and readability scores. Make sure to keep a change log and reuse successful prompts as templates. That speeds up future projects. If visuals are needed, generate image variants, aligned to headings and captions. Finish by exporting text, images, and metadata with clear file names. Prepare alt text and post descriptions. Then run final checks for copyright risks, brand consistency, and accessibility. Once done, schedule or upload assets and save the working prompts for reuse. If output drifts or becomes generic, the key troubleshooting move is to increase prompt specificity. Add constraints, examples, and a negative list of things to avoid. That direct correction keeps quality steady across iterations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.